got suspended on Amazon. Here's how I got reinstated in just 24 hours. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell on Amazon even if you're already suspended. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. All right, so here is proof. Hello, based on your health account rating, your Amazon seller has been deactivated. And then boom, the next day, hello, EHP Consulting Group. We've reviewed the information you provided and reinstated your account. Thank you for your prompt attention to this important matter, and we wish you the best of luck. And again, it was an exciting time to get an account reinstated within 24 hours, but also terrible because if you've ever been suspended, you'll know that it just makes you hate life and Amazon. So 24 hours, pretty solid, removes a lot of stress. Let me show you how we did it. So the goal is to hit Amazon from all sides and then succeed and say, not today, Amazon. Now, what we did is we collected all of the evidence and we hit Amazon from multiple angles. So make sure you get a good appeal, which I'm gonna show you how to do, and get all of the evidence. So if Amazon, for this one, they said it was document manipulation. So pretty much what we need to do is we need to go through and make sure that we prove to Amazon it's not document manipulation. And then what you do is you put that you're deactivated in error. So we submitted that, hey, this was an error. It totally wasn't document manipulation. Here's proof that the official documentation was from our manufacturer, and then get that account reinstated. So once you get the appeal and once you are ready to go and you have that evidence, we submitted it directly to Amazon in the appeal section. Right when we submitted the appeal, we called Amazon. If you didn't know, you can call Amazon while you're suspended. Just go to YouTube and type in how to call Amazon when suspended. And I literally have a video right here showing you how to do it. So you can call Amazon and say, hey, we just submitted an appeal. Can you review it? They're gonna review it and be like, oh yeah, we have all the evidence. Like, it's not counterfeit, the documents, everything is good. Can you add notes to this? So we asked them to add notes, and then we asked them to escalate it internally to show Amazon that we weren't manipulating any documents. The best way to do this is when you're on the phone, try to make friends with the person. Do you think it's manipulated? Can you check everything? Oh my gosh, you're so much of a great help, right? And then they're gonna be willing to escalate it for you. Yes, if you call Amazon, they can escalate it. So first, we did a first escalation right from the get, and then again, what we did is we filed the appeal and we said it was deactivated in error. Deactivated error, call Amazon, escalation. That was what we did within the first few hours of getting the account taken down. So number 4, what we did is we escalated it to an executive team. So we do have a special executive, not Jeff Bezos, but we do have other executives at Amazon that do review accounts, and they have a special team that reviews it, and then they can click a button and reinstate your account. And I think that's what helped as well. So we emailed the executives account reinstatement request, authentic documents provided. Dear bada bing, we did this, sweet little you can see how short and sweet it is because they can just go to our Amazon account and see the full appeal. So we're not gonna put the full appeal and be like, what the hell? Made it short and sweet, showed them that, and then boom, woke up the next day and the account was completely reinstated. So again, we did 4 different things. We got the evidence, submitted the appeal, called seller support, made friends with them, and they escalated it. They even put in special notes that said, it's not manipulated, right? And then we also escalated it internally via email of our admin Amazon email, escalated it to Amazon's executive team, and next day woke up, account was reinstated, and we got this fun notice that we reviewed your account and it got reactivated. I was even surprised they worked so fast, right? This was a weekday, so maybe that's why, but if it was a weekend, I'm sure it would have taken longer. But that's pretty much what we did in a nutshell. Now I'm gonna be going over actual tips to make sure that you do the same thing, because we didn't go over the actual appeal and what you're supposed to say and not supposed to say, and kind of go from there. So the first thing is you need to have a good appeal, okay? So if my appeal sucked, even if I escalated it and did all that stuff, we would have lost. Now the appeal needs to have evidence. So if you're submitting an appeal and you don't have good evidence, it's going to get denied, right? So make sure you have good evidence and stop saying we did this, we fully. That's going to get your escalation denied, your appeal denied. Start saying I, right? You want to take full accountability. And don't make your appeal so long, especially for the first one. Unless Amazon says, hey, your appeal needs to be longer, you need to add a plethora of information, that's different. But initially, this is just way too long, 2 pages of information. Who the hell is gonna read that? Not them, right? So again, this is an example of the approved appeal, and we made it short and sweet, right? Very short and sweet, right to the point. Screenshot number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bada bing, proof everything is authentic and good to go for reinstatement. And again, this is an example appeal to get it approved, and this one is much better than the denied appeal. But for the actual tips, you want to ensure your appeal is not too long, not too short. We already went over that. Make sure you provide PDF documents. You can also apply, screenshots, JPGs, JPEGs, but Amazon likes PDF documents as well, and you got to make sure they're not editable. You can look up what a non-editable PDF looks like, but you need to make sure you can't highlight things on the document pretty much, or else Amazon's going to think your PDF is manipulated and they're automatically going to deny the PDF. Pretty much make sure if you take a picture of a document, you can't edit it, so you can just take pictures of pieces of paper, and that's going to be not edited. Cite Amazon's policies. So if you can look at Amazon's policies, their URLs, add those in to prove that you actually did your research and you know what you're talking about. Call Amazon. We already talked about that. Sometimes Amazon doesn't accept the first appeal. Remember that you're actually doing it with a human. Pretend you're submitting it to a judge like it's life or death. Use I. When you're going to sleep at night, you need to make sure that you did everything you can, at least in your first appeal, to make sure it was concise, to the point, it didn't add all that extra fluff. But my extra tip to make it more concise and less emotional is to use ChatGPT. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the first paragraph in ChatGPT, and you're gonna copy that, you're gonna write it all out, you're gonna copy the first paragraph, you're gonna put it into ChatGPT and say, hey, make this more concise. I wanna make sure it's not emotional, and so Amazon approves my appeal. Then they're going to make it more concise. Don't copy the entire thing because ChatGPT is going to mess it up. Only do it paragraph by paragraph if you think like a paragraph is a little emotional and not concise. Because sometimes we can't write extremely concise, but ChatGPT is a robot, so if it's not emotional, they're going to take the emotion out of it and make it concise. And that's pretty much how we got it from 2 pages to 1 page. Also, you can type in how to call Amazon when suspended. I already told you that. When you call Amazon, you can actually ask them to escalate it internally. I already told you that. You can escalate your appeal in YouTube. So there's a YouTube video on how we escalated it to executives. You can just type in on YouTube how to escalate your Amazon suspension to executives, right? There's actually specific emails you can email. But remember the email that I sent, I didn't submit the whole damn appeal. They don't have time to read that, but you can do it short and sweet. And that worked very well. Again, I don't know exactly what did it. Was it the appeal? Was it the executives? But I do know the executives have a lot to say, and they do have a full team that reviews their emails for you. Now we've got different appeals here: generic appeal, you sold as new, counterfeit appeal that have worked in the past. I'm just going to show you these 2 really quick. But again, a good generic appeal, right, is just pretty much short and sweet. The steps that have identified, here we go, I messed this up. The issues you have identified, the root cause, the actions you've taken to resolve it, and the steps you have taken to prevent it going forward. Also, we now add details on why we believe the error has occurred, and if you need to add proof. Then a little paragraph at the end, right? So again, this is a generic appeal that works very well. And then we have the related account appeal. So again, this one actually worked for our client as well. They kept asking us to add more and more documents, but this is exactly what we did. You can feel free to pause, but this is what we did to get an account reinstated that was connected to another account for a client, right? So even related accounts, even though they're a pain and they usually need to be escalated, this is one time that we did get them reinstated with just an appeal without actually escalating the issue. Because a lot of times you need to escalate the appeal because some of the people at Amazon just click deny, 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 and you need to get in front of somebody who actually reads your appeal and actually looks at the whole account history, and then they'll reinstate it. Remember, they have like a quota. So if they hired people that just keeps approve, and they approved everybody to get reinstated, then they would all get fired because they're just approving everybody. So they can only approve so many people, and they need to have a lot of backup data that says, oh, this is why we approve them, so they don't get fired. Or, you can't approve everybody, and then also you can't deny everybody, so they have to have a little bit of a quota internally. So just realize that as well. And for making it towards the end of the video, if you still can't sell and you're just fed up with Amazon, Amazon's like, we're never gonna reinstate your account, or you're trying and you're just not having fun, you can still sell on Amazon. You just need to have a stealth account. So a stealth account is a second Amazon Seller Central account, and this one, Amazon doesn't know it's owned by you. And the thing is, I already currently have 4 stealth accounts myself because I like to practice and I was in cybersecurity. I have a degree in it. And then my company has also helped make 5 stealth accounts for my client. And to this day, none of them have been connected. So if you have a suspended account and you make a stealth account, none of the ones that we've created have ever been connected or suspended in any way. So the stealth accounts really do work. And I did it because sometimes clients will come to me and they'll say, oh, we just got suspended for like a bullshit reason. It's like so stupid. I accidentally told seller support to shut the hell up, and then they got suspended and they couldn't get reinstated. And it's like, come on, Amazon. So, we made this course and it's great. I didn't want to make the course completely free, but what you can do is you don't have to take the course. If you have an IT background or you know somebody with an IT background and you watch this video right here, how to create a stealth account on Amazon, I pretty much just tell you exactly what to do to create it. And again, if you have an IT background, you can do it yourself. But if you don't have an IT background or you need extra help, you can just go to udemy.com. And then you can see our course right here, how to create an Amazon stealth account. It's also in the description, all of our courses, and you can just get the course. It shouldn't be that much money. If it's not good, you can just ask Udemy, get a full refund. You can also ask me questions. You can reach out to us on our YouTube description, EHP Consulting Group, and I'm happy to help. Is it illegal? No, but it's frowned upon, right? If it was illegal, I wouldn't be doing it. Again, I'm here to help clients to succeed. So if you can't even sell on Amazon, I can't even be in business because I'm an Amazon consultant. So it's kind of like a win-win here, right? But that's my tips for the end of the video. Leave a comment below if you ever got suspended and how long it took you to get reinstated. Also, drop a like if you're an Amazon seller. And if you are an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you need help creating a stealth account or getting your account reinstated, escalating it to executives, anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is exactly what we specialize in, and the links are right in the description for more. We also have a full A to Z account management service. We'll manage your account, check your performance notifications every day, your account health, call Amazon if anything happens, and submit appeals extremely quick like we did here. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for our full A to Z account management. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.